Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Fork. In this video we are going to speak about Chainlink, and actually I will tell you in this video my price prediction for the next bull run, but the most important thing is why I think and why actually Chainlink is number one altcoin in my portfolio, why I really believe that this token will be the most hyped token in the next bull run, because I think that Chainlink has everything in order to be successful in the next bull run and actually in the future as well. So let's start with this very important video about my favorite coin, about Chainlink. But if you are watching my video for the first time, this is the right time to click on the like and of course on the subscribe button, because I am always telling on my channel the most important news, and of course I am making forecasts about tokens, about the most important tokens. So let's start with this video. The price of Chainlink right now is just $6.24. It went since 2017 since 17 cents to about $52 for one coin, and actually it went down right now to $6.2. But actually I'm not just looking at the price when I'm speaking about Chainlink. I'm speaking about all the option, and actually all the option in order to make this token the most hyped token in the next bull run. And I think that this token, again guys, have everything. Of course this is not a financial advice, this is just my thinkings, because I'm trading and I'm investing in cryptocurrency since 2016, and actually I saw the same thing that happened to Cardano, for example, that went since 3 cents to about $3 and made in about 100x. I really believe that Chainlink will make something very familiar in the next bull run, and here is why. So let's start since the beginning. What is Ethereum, and actually why Chainlink is on the Ethereum blockchain? So Ethereum blockchain, this is actually blockchain with smart contract. This is why this blockchain is number one, and this is why this blockchain is actually number two on market cap. But Chainlink is actually connecting between the world to the blockchains, and this is the most important thing, and this is why actually Chainlink is very important project for all the cryptocurrency industry. He's connecting the world to the blockchains, not just blockchain as Ethereum. For example, you got a metaverse, you got a game on Ethereum, so you will play on Ethereum. All the database will be on Ethereum and just on the Ethereum. But actually what Chainlink is doing is connecting the world, the real world. For example, right now you are playing a game, you are making emissions, you are buying an apartment in the real world, and you can connect it to the blockchains. You can connect it to Ethereum, you can connect it to Solana and other layer one blockchains that there is. So this is the most important thing. The Chainlink is actually the development of Web3. All these hype words, Web3, blockchains, everything is actually on Chainlink, and this is very important because it's helping to people, businesses, and the most important thing, data today that is in the real world. The data in the real world right now is actually connecting to the blockchains, all the blockchains, and Chainlink, this is the computer. Chainlink, this is the bridge between all the blockchains and the most important thing, the real world. And we will speak about this unit just in a few minutes, because this is very important. All these gamings and actually DeFi and NFTs might be on Chainlink, but actually it might connect all these projects just on one bridge that called Chainlink, and I will tell you just in a few minutes why this is so special and why this is so important. So Chainlink CCIP document. What is actually CCIP? Cross chains, guys. This is very important, because when you're looking on a blockchain layer one like Ethereum is working on Ethereum. Yeah, you can connect between other smart contracts, but Ethereum, this is Ethereum. But why Chainlink is so special? Because there is a cross chain. You can make a cross chain between Ethereum and Solana, and then you can work together on two blockchains, and you can, for example, develop you can develop a game, you can develop a document, you can develop a smart contract, and it will work on few blockchains at the same time. And the most important thing, that it will be all synchronized, and this is what is so special. So what you can build actually, and why cross chains on each and different blockchain is so important, because for example the industry of gaming, guys, I'm sure for 100% that in the next bull run, the gaming, all the web3 will be the next hype. The next NFT hype will be in this industry of web3, when you can play, when you can make fun, and you can earn a real money. So what is actually happening? Chainlink Oracle Networks power top blockchain gaming application and helping provide dynamics and unpredictable gameplay experience. And this is what is so special, because for example right now Apple, they are developing the VR glasses. Everything right now is moving to Web3 gaming. The next hype for sure will be in the Web3 gaming industry. I am sure for 100% that the next bull run of 2024, 2025 will be in this industry, and you can actually start to build a game just by clicking on one button. Build a game, and then you can go to this link that you can see in the bottom of your screen of contact, and you can start to build your own Web3 gaming service, like all these blockchains, like all these projects that you can see in front of your eyes. But actually Chainlink is connecting everything with this own smart contracts, is connecting all the users, all the games, all the smart contracts on just one platform they called Chainlink, guys. And if you want to use actually this platform, you must have Chainlink, and this is very important. The Chainlink cross-chain that we spoke about. And I think that the next hype will be around Web3 gaming, and this is another reason why I am buying Chainlink. So let's go for another reason why I'm buying Chainlink, and this is of course because of the DeFi, the powering the centralized finance ecosystem taught Chainlink decentralized Oracle networks. And this is very important, guys, because I think that the next hype will be around the DeFi as well, and Chainlink have this function in the program of Chainlink, in the code of Chainlink. You can build, and you can, the most important thing, that you can connect between DeFis. And I think that you can build, for example, you can build a DeFi app, and you can synchronize other datas of other blockchains together on Chainlink. And this is why this is very important, because you can not just connect the real world to the Chainlink, and you can actually connect between data of the real world, of prices. For example, what is the weather right now, or what is the weather tomorrow in United Kingdom? You can actually synchronize this data into the blockchain, and this is why this is very important. By the way, there are leading projects that actually leading the DeFi finance system, and actually they are working with Chainlink as well. You can see big names like Aave, like Trajo, like Syntax. You can see Lido, for example. By the way, you can stake your Chainlink as well and earn a passive income. Of course, from my point of view, these levels of 9 to 5 US dollars, this is the best levels in order to enter to Chainlink, guys. But from my point of view, if you stake and you bought your Chainlink at this level, so you are going to win a very good bunch of money. Of course, guys, not a financial advice, this is just my thinking, but you can see a big DeFi projects like Doto, like Liquidity, that they are actually building their own DeFi. But actually why I'm speaking about Lido is because you can stake your Chainlink, for example, on Lido. This is the biggest DeFi project on Ethereum, and this is the biggest DeFi project where you can stake your Ethereum as well. And actually they are working with Chainlink as well. And here you can see in front of your eyes the most trusted Oracle network in DeFi, and here it is, securing billions of value. Guys, I will tell you again, billions of value. Look at the value of Chainlink, just 3.3 billion US dollars by now, guys. I think that in the next bull run we are going to see a very huge gains. In a few moments I will tell you my prediction for the next bull run. Of course, guys, not a financial advice. In front of your eyes on the screen you can see a very big DeFi projects, the most successful DeFi projects, that they are actually securing billions of value, and this is very important. And actually what Chainlink is doing, he's connecting all these DeFi projects, he's connecting all these high projects that will make a lot of hype in the next bull run. The next bull run, when the price of Chainlink will be 30, 40, 50 US dollars for one Chainlink, when the hype will start, all these projects will make a lot of hypes. And the most important thing, that all this project is actually connecting and making people to buy Chainlink, and this is very important. But why I really think that Chainlink will make a lot of hype in the next bull run, this is because you can build your NFT, a digital collection that will attract new customers to Web2 and Web3. And guys, last bull run the biggest hype was NFTs, and actually you can build and connect between NFTs and the real world into Chainlink, guys. And this is very, very important, and this is why actually I'm buying Chainlink, because I'm sure that the next bull run, new people will connect the market, new people will hear about Chainlink, people will enter and buy Chainlink as well. By the way, we can see that by now there are a lot of people that interested in Chainlink as well. We can see that the market cap of Chainlink is on the 22 place, but the volume, guys, of the last 24 hours is on the 21 place. It means that people are buying Chainlink. It means that someone is accumulate Chainlink at the prices of between $9 and $5.5, guys. Someone is buying this token. Someone is no information, no important information for the next bull run, guys. I can show you in few moments another cryptocurrency that made around 100x, and I will show you that no one is actually interested in this blockchain anymore. But you can see that in Chainlink the situation is totally different. So what can happen with the NFTs industry? For example, soccer player is scoring a goal, all right, then the Chainlink blockchain is working on this goal, and then for example the NFT is upgraded, guys. Chainlink is actually smart contract. Chainlink is a smart computer that can connect everything between everyone, between the real world and the blockchains. And this is very, very important, because it's not working just on one blockchain. This is the bridge between a lot of blockchain. This is the bridge between DeFi, between Web3 gaming, and of course between NFTs. So it means that all the next hypes that might come in 2024, 2025 might build on Chainlink as well, and this is a very, very positive sign. Because of this sign, I actually bought Chainlink. So in front of your eyes, I just want to speak about layer 1 solution, about Cardano. In the next bull run, you can see the same thing, the same graph as in the Chainlink. You can see this crazy accumulation zone between 10 cents and 3 cents, and look what happened. Cardano went from 3 cents to around $3 in the last bull run. On Cardano, in the last bull run of 2021, we saw the same thing. We saw DeFi that actually just started to be developed. On Cardano, for example, we can saw a lot of NFT projects on Cardanos as well, and we saw just few, guys, in around 1, 2, or maybe even 3 Web3 gaming projects on Cardano, and look what happened. It went from 3 cents to $3, around 100x, guys. But the most important thing is that the market cap right now of Cardano is on the 7th place, but the volume in the last 24 hours is 23 place. It means that no one is actually buying Cardano. You can see that the accumulation zone is between $0.5 to $0.25. You can see that the situation on Chainlink that actually building and giving you even more options. There this blockchain that, like Cardano, you can see that on Chainlink there is a crazy accumulation zone between $9 and $5.5, and someone is buying, and the volume is really high for bear market. This is why actually I bought by the way, I bought Cardano in the last bull run and the prices of $9, and I made by my own around 30x, guys. And this is why I actually like Chainlink, because I see the same thing that will happen in the next bull run. Just a few moments I will give you my prediction for the next bull run for Chainlink. But why another reason I really bought Chainlink, this is of course because I really like what I'm seeing on their own Twitter channel. Why Twitter channel is very important? Because Twitter channel, this is what will make the hype in the next bull run. When you people will come to the cryptocurrencies world and they will search for blockchains to buy, they will search for coins and tokens to buy, they will see Chainlink. And why it is? Because the community of Chainlink is really supporting this chain, guys. We can see that even projects of top 10 have even much less activity on Twitter than even Chainlink. Look at this: 76,000 of views, 900 of likes, and 445 retweets, and the most important thing, 170 comments on just one single tweet of Chainlink. You can see that even Cardano, you can see that even Solana, you can see other blockchains that even their Twitter is working very slow, that people are not supporting anymore these blockchains. But you can see that in Chainlink the community is really supporting this community. There are meetings that actually happenings in Singapore, in Shanghai, China, in Nigeria, guys. There are meetings, there is development, there is a very successful community that actually really helping to this project. You can see this tweet, they just tweeted 12 hours ago, that already have 13,000 views, 227 likes, 36 retweets, and 10 comments. This is a really high numbers for, guys, I am just reminding you, for a bear market. But in the next bull market, when people will enter to the market, all these people will help new customers and new people enter to Chainlink. But actually the price, from my point of view, when all the new people will start to enter to Chainlink, will be around these highs, about 30, 40, and 50. So guys, the most important thing, and actually why Chainlink is number one in my altcoin portfolio, guys, and here it is, my price prediction for the next bull run. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but if you like this video, the most important thing is to click on the like button, on the subscribe button, and of course to share this video with other people. So let's speak about the next resistance. The next resistance is about $9 for one Chainlink. We can see that $9 was the bull run start. The bull run is actually started when the price of the Chainlink was $9 and we went to $52. We can see that a lot of people has actually entered to this coin at these price levels of 9, guys. Here it is where the bull market is started. From my point of view, when the bull market will start officially, we can see this diapason of $9 to $12, that the next actually resistance levels, this is at $12, then the next resistance levels is $20, and then just at $33, $34 I will start to sell my Chainlink at $35, $40 for one Chainlink. But what is my, and again I will not sell all my Chainlink, but what is actually my price prediction for the next bull run? And here it is, very important information. We can see that even Ethereum with much less let's say options, but of course Ethereum is a very fundamental coin and I really believe in Ethereum. But you can see that even Ethereum at the lows of the last bull run was at 30 billions of US dollars. You can see that the market cap right now, even right now, at the bearish market is about 3.3 billions of US dollars. You can see that even in order to be at the bottom of Ethereum, Chainlink might make 10x from this prices that we're seeing right now, it means that even if Chainlink will make 10x in the next bull run, we will have a price of $60 in the next bull run, and these $60 are even the bottom of Ethereum at March of 2020. This was around the Corona dip. So my price predictions for the next bull run for Chainlink, and this is why this altcoin is number one in my portfolio, and I will start to sell, start to sell 5-10% each and every step. And of course you should click on the like and subscribe button if you want to see when I will start to sell this token in the next bull run. So I will start at 35, I will sell another at all times highs and 50, but I really believe that Chainlink might touch 80 and even $100 for one token in the next bull run, because you have everything, guys. You have cross chains, you have DeFi, you have Web3 gamings, and the most important thing, you have NFTs. You have every single thing that can make a hype in the next bull run. Chainlink is a very perspective token from my point of view, and click on the like button and on the subscribe button if you are thinking like me. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is CryptoFork, and see you in the next cryptocurrency video. Bye bye.